Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from Binance to PayPal. So for that you need to open up your Binance account, and there used to be a direct option to send money from your Binance account to PayPal, but PayPal has unfortunately disabled it. But now you have to use your bank account as a middle option, and you just basically need to send money from your Binance to your bank account, then bank account to PayPal. Otherwise there used to be an option in PayPal, but it seems to be disabled right now and it doesn't work. Maybe it might start in the future again. So for that option, you have to go to the wallet, then go to the fiat and spot wallet, just wherever your crypto funds are, whether in the funding wallet or fiat or spot wallet. Suppose you wanted to send BTC to your PayPal account, so you would just simply go on withdraw over here on Binance, and for the address you'll find this address on PayPal. In the finance section you will find the cryptos over on your PayPal wallet. So just click on BTC and click on receive, and when you click on receive you will also get an address, and in this place you will paste that particular address, and the network will be chosen on its own. It is mostly BTC network. So after that you will be able to send the Bitcoin from your Binance account to your PayPal account. But in case if this option is not available, which is the case right now, so we will just simply sell our BTC to USDT and then convert that USDT into our native cryptocurrency of our country, and after that we will receive that amount into our bank account. And after receiving that amount in our bank account, then we can just simply use PayPal and get that money from our bank account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.